Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's episode we are at the Land Rover owners gathering, summer gathering. Beautiful spot, lovely people and a lot of Land Rovers.
your town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, I may know your town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Ain't no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. The church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings hum like they know